I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing pretty good.
He didn't send me your name. I had asked him
Valerie.
for it. Valerie. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you
So
too.
just to confirm, so we doing front rotors and pads and oil change.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, it's easy. I'm gonna just go on and do the services. And then I know he hasn't texted me. Oh, I thought you was over there. I know he hasn't texted me back, but basically once I get done, either you can pay it or I can send him the payment link and he can pay through his phone.
I got a credit card.
Okay. Okay, cool. All right, just wanted to make sure. All right. I'll call you when I get down unless you just want me to ring the doorbell, knock on the door.
It's up to you.
Okay.
I don't care. Whatever's easy for you.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just right here.
Okay, that's cool. This bad boy around.
Hey, come on in.
Oh, cool.